Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the newest feature on your Netflix account. So how you can transfer your Netflix profile to another account. So here you just need to open your browser on your devices in computer or maybe in mobile like me. So you can just open netflix.com/your account. Okay, so here click on the three lines icon at the top and go to your account. Okay, you can just scroll down until you find the profile and parental controls. Then you can just click on the profile that you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer this file. Click on the drop down here and scroll down again until you find the transfer this profile option. Click on transfer. Then after that, here you can just click on this red button, start profile transfer. And then here there are two options that you can choose. Where do you want to transfer your profile? You can transfer it to a new account, and you can also transfer it to an existing account. So you can just choose which one. So you can if you transfer to the new account, you can transfer a profile, purchase your own, and also new Netflix membership. But if you are transferring it into an existing account, you can just you'll need to fill in the email and password to complete the transfer. So you can just click on one of them, then click on next, and in here just fill in the email address and password and then click on next. And after that, your profile will be transferred to the account that you add in here. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, click on the thumbs up icon, and leave a comment. Bye.